Euroboor ECO.80 magnetic drilling machine. The perfect solution for heavy drilling tasks. Powerful motor of 1900 watts. Annular cutting up to 80 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 31.75 millimeter diameter. Countersinking up to 85 millimeter diameter. Detachable Morse taper 3 spindle with internal lubrication. Mechanically adjustable 4-speed gearbox. High-precision slide and rail construction results in faster and more accurate drilling. Clear and easy controls. You won't miss the right button. With excellent ergonomics, the ECO.80-4 is extremely easy to handle. ECO.80 magnetic drilling machine.